all friends. Heartfelt New Year wishes from Tramptraveller for those who love to travel. Let us welcome 2021, the golden ray of sunrise from the sunset of the eventful year 2020, with a good heart and unity. To unseen lands. To unseen friendships. The journey continues. For ages. Happy New Year to all travelers. A genuine traveler learns to be pleased in small achievements and distinctive, enjoy the good days under the sun. As much as he weathers the foul storm, appreciate the many hues that are strewn in every locale and culture, and cherish such gems of experience before looking even further. From your journey you will also see your friends and family members walking side by side, with you abetting you every step of the way. Express your gratitude and know your life seems so beautiful because you have people to share every bit of your joy, pain, and pleasure. Happy New Year! May the days that you spend in locations outside your abode teach you the value of your own home. Yet may you never fail to appreciate all that is truly great and spread all over the planet. After all, we share a common nest, and understanding its worth is the true test that we need to undergo during our excursions. May the good times and treasures of the present become the golden memories of tomorrow for your lovely family, just as our childhood memories of holidays past are such happy recollections now. Wishing you lots of love, joy, and happiness. Happy New Year! For travelers, there is a website, Tramptraveller.com, to share their travel experiences. A platform to share with others the landscapes, cultures, arts, customs and biodiversity you discover. Tramptraveller.com is one-stop destination for travel experts around the world to share their valuable photos, videos, and expertise. Interested persons can become members of this platform by registering with the site, free of cost, and start sharing photos, videos, tips, write blogs about your traveling experience. Happy New Year to all travelers!